What if I told you there's a way to build a website in 1 hour instead of 10, generate entire UI mockups without hiring a designer, fix bugs before you even run the code? I've tested 100 plus AI tools and these 10 are the ones I actually use every week. Stick around because I'm giving away my personal AI web dev toolbox for free. Let's go. Today I am sharing the exact AI tools that help me code 2x faster, design without Figma skills, automate SEO, content, and debugging. Plus, at the end, I'll give you a free Notion toolbox with all my prompts, templates, and bonus tools. Let's dive in. Let's start with design because nobody wants to waste time hunting for assets. My number one tool, Leonardo AI. It's like Midjourney but turned for UI UX work. Try this advanced prompt. Pro tip. Use dash style in Midjourney to create repeatable patterns for backgrounds or textures. Next, ChatGPT for design help. It writes code but it's also my wireframing asset. Prompt example. It will give you specific fixes like button placement, color contrast, and CTA wording. Bonus, pair it with Figma's AI plugins to turn text descriptions into components. Now, coding efficiency, forget typing boilerplates. Coding suggests entire functions as you type. Why I prefer it over Copilot? Faster response time, better framework with specific suggestions. For debugging, ChatGPT is my emergency hotline. Here's my 5-step process. Paste the error message, add context. This is a Next.js 14 app using app router. Ask, explain why this faults and rewrite it with best practices. Request a bullet point summary for the fix. And finally, ask, how can I prevent this in the future? Pro tip, save common prompts as text snippets. For example, debug Next.js. Finally, automating groundwork. The Rhythm library is my favorite cheat code. How to use it? Need a pricing table? Copy-paste their pre-built version. Customize it in 1 minute by tweaking their config. Export as React or Vue components. Critical note, always check accessibility after pasting. For rapid prototyping, Durable AI builds full websites in 30 seconds. When to use it? Client demos, validating startup concepts, and placeholder pages during development. Limitations: generic copy and basic SEO. Pair it with ChatGPT to refine the AI generated content. Want all 10 tools plus my secret prompts in one place? I'll pack them into my free AI web dev toolbox with copy-paste prompts, my Next.js plus Tailwind starter template. Grab it now by clicking the link in the description. It's free today but I might get it later, so get it while you can. If this helped, smash the like, subscribe for more AI hacks, and Comment your favorite tool below. See you in the next one. Peace.